DHFL, which went bankrupt with 90,000 crores of debt, and the company is liable to pay this amount to about 70,000 creditors, of which over 7,500 are fixed deposit holders who had kept their hard-earned money with DHFL. And most of them are low to middle class individuals who might not have thought, even in dreams, that they will be on a verge of losing their money. But recently, after Piramal Group acquired DHFL, they have announced that they are going to repay about 38,000 crores out of that 90,000 crores debt. But what will happen to FD holders? Are they going to get anything from this deal? Or what amount of their deposits are they going to get back? One more problem had arisen, but not with FD holders. The problem is seen with equity shareholders. It is found that all the shares of DHFL had been debited from their demat accounts. Why such thing happened? To get all these answers, do watch till the end of this video. Firstly, it is calculated that those 7,500 fixed deposit holders have a total of about rupees 5,375 crore of deposits in DHFL. And according to the current resolution plan, only 23% of this amount will be repaid. That is, just 1,241 crore rupees will be distributed among fixed deposit holders. Thus, according to the current plan, if you had a fixed deposit of 1 lakh rupees, you will get back only 23,000 rupees out of that 1 lakh rupees. And that's why FD holders had rejected this resolution plan and filed a petition with NCLAT demanding 100% repayment of that 5,375 crores deposit. Though this demand of 100% repayment had been rejected by the Committee of Creditors of DHFL, NCLT had asked them to reconsider it, and if not 100%, they should try to increase the recovery amount from 23% to at least 40%. It is not yet confirmed what will be the recovery amount that FD holders will receive, as NCLAT had announced that they will make the final hearing regarding this FD holders petition on 17th November. So hope something good on behalf of FD holders be announced on that day, and wish not 23% or 40%, but 100% be the final call. So subscribe and stay connected with us to get all the current updates related to DHFL. And now, the problem equity shareholders faced. A lot of people have reported that they have received a mail from CDSL stating that DHFL shares had been debited from their demat accounts. Why that happened? And are you going to get those shares back? The simple answer is no. You will never get back those shares. The amount you had invested for buying those shares is a loss for you. And this happened due to two reasons. Firstly, trading in DHFL was suspended and the stock got delisted from the stock exchanges NSE and BSE. And that's why the value of the share that you hold became zero. And second, Piramal Group acquired 100% stake in DHFL. That simply means DHFL's each and every share's owner is now Piramal Group. And that's why you can't further be the owner of those shares you own. And that's why shares got debited from your demat account. So, what will you do now? Only one thing you can do. Subscribe this channel and stay with us, as this channel is mainly created to protect you from mistakes like buying DHFL without proper information. and saving you from not falling in traps that retail investors easily fall into. Side by side, educating you and helping you find the next multi-bagger.